In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in Google Sites. Getting your text alignment right helps your pages look clean, professional, and easy to read, whether you're building a classroom site, a portfolio, or a simple landing page. We'll keep it quick and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set left, center, or right alignment for any text on your site. Start by opening your site in Google Sites so you're in the editor view. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the toolbar across the top and the page elements on your canvas. If you're looking at a published or preview version instead, switch back to the editor so your changes can be made and saved properly. Next, click the text box you want to edit. You might have multiple text boxes on a page, titles, subtitles, and body sections, so make sure you select the exact one where the alignment should change. When the box is active, you'll see a blue outline or handles, and the text cursor will appear inside it, confirming that you're working in the right spot. Now highlight the text you want to align. You can drag across a single word, a sentence, a full paragraph, or even multiple paragraphs. If you only need to adjust one heading, just select that line. If your goal is to align everything in that box the same way, you can press once inside the text and use Select All. But highlighting is safer because it makes it clear exactly what will be affected. A helpful tip: if nothing is highlighted, alignment usually applies to the paragraph where the cursor is placed, so selecting your intended range avoids surprises. With your text highlighted, choose left, center, or right align from the toolbar. Look for the alignment icons, 3 horizontal lines stacked and aligned to the left, center, or right. On smaller screens, the alignment controls may be tucked under a More Options button with 3 dots. Expanding that menu will reveal them. Click the alignment you want, and the selected text will snap into place immediately. Left alignment is the standard for most body text and long paragraphs because it's easiest to read. Center alignment works well for titles, section headers, and short callouts. Right alignment is more stylistic and can be useful for captions or design accents. Repeat the same steps for any other text boxes you want to adjust. Keeping alignment consistent across similar elements, like all headings or all body text, gives your site a polished, cohesive look. That's it. Simple, clear, and effective.